many times have you told yourself, this is going to be my year, only to later find yourself saying, well, maybe next year will be my year. Maybe it's time to put an end to that. And here's the thing. The extent to which you're not achieving the success you want tends to be the extent to which you're resisting it, because of old beliefs about why you couldn't or shouldn't take the actions that are necessary or get the results that you want. And I'd like to help you get to the other side of that. I want to help you find the success beyond your current beliefs about who you are and what you can do. So I hope you'll join me for a series called Success Beyond Belief. This is an 8-week live series. So rather than just trying to start the year with one session and good luck, let's see how it goes, I'm going to be with you for the first 2 months of the year, helping you clear out old limiting beliefs about what's possible for you and helping you cultivate confidence and an abundance mindset and really starting the year powerfully. And these are live sessions, so I'll be working with you live to find out what's going on and where are those blocks and clearing those out in a way that I can't do just in my videos. So I hope you'll join me for this adventure, Success Beyond Belief, starting in January, and it's going to be an 8-week powerful program to help you create a 2025 of great success, health, wealth, and happiness. I look forward to seeing you there.